Did you know you can launch a professional looking YouTube channel today with just your smartphone? No camera, no fancy studio, no excuses. If you have been waiting for the perfect setup, this is it. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your YouTube channel the right way so you don't just blend in but actually stand out. You will learn how to optimize your channel, design it to look professional, and set yourself up for growth, all straight from your phone. So grab your smartphone and let's start with the very first step, creating your channel the smart way so YouTube's algorithm can start recommending your videos faster. If you are just meeting me for the first time, my name is Ben Power, and in my channel, I drop tutorials showing how to make real money online in dollars while building a strong presence as content creators. If you are ready to stand out and start building your digital success, why not hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first YouTube to inform each time I drop my tutorials. Alright, let's jump into today's video.
Alright, I'm on my browser, so I'm going to type in youtube.com, and it's open up to this place. Look at here, you click on sign in, and you ask to enter your email. I'm going to enter any of my email. Okay, let me choose one of my email. I click skip, not now. Okay, I'm now on YouTube. Let me put it on desktop mode. Let me put it on desktop mode. As you can see, I've created a channel for myself. Look at it here. I've created a channel for myself. So I'm going to click there. You click on it. You can see view my channel. You can see it there. View my channel. I'm going to view my channel. This is my channel, Ben Power. So I'm going to customize this channel. Click here to customize this. Click on customize channel and to bring it direct to YouTube Studio. Okay, bring it direct to YouTube Studio. Verify it. So I'm going to verify my Google 97. Yes, I'm going to just verify so that you allow me. Okay, first thing I'm going to do here is to change my name, because the name that appeared is not what I want to use. And here, this place is where you put your banner, and I've made a video on how to create a professional banner. The link is in the description, so click on the link on how to and watch the video I have made on how to create a professional banner. And this place, you put your picture. If you don't want to put your picture, I want to add a logo, I don't have a logo, go to the description. I have made a video on how to create a professional logo as well. Click on it, and the description, I will leave the prompts on the description to generate a better description for your channel. Just edit the prompt by putting your niche and your YouTube name so that it will give you directly for you. So I'm going ahead to change the name. Let me put it N with Ben. I'm going to upload the picture. I'm going to look for one of my picture and upload. Let me add this picture. I will just add this picture, and the description I will go to ChatGPT and copy the description I've already given ChatGPT. I already given it a prompt, so I'll leave the prompt on the description. So go ahead and copy it. And see the prompt again. Write a professional engaging YouTube channel description for a channel dedicated to help people grow as content creator. So just the description is there. Just go ahead and edit it so you have your own. So that you have your own description. So I will copy it, come to the description and paste it here. This place under this link, you're going to add your social media handles. You're going to add your social media handles there. And this contact info is your email. You're going to add the email that people will use to contact you. So in my handle, let me change my handle since it did not change automatically. So let me put N with pen. Let me see what you do. Okay, as you can see, it tick good because the name is unique. You cannot see anyone answer that name on YouTube and with pen. The name is unique. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click on publish. They allow you to load. Which have published. Home tab. Okay, let's leave it for now. So what's the next thing to do is to click here, go straight to this place, settings. We're going to click there to set our channel, to add in our keyword. You can see general is for the currency US dollar. So channel, click on channel, basic info, country of residence. So you search for your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to input Nigeria here. So you're going to put your own country where you are. This place is a keyword. These are keywords that will make your channel visible. You get this keyword is what's going to make your channel, is what explains what your channel is all about. So I'll go back to ChatGPT. I've already generated the keyword because I don't want this video to be too long. But I will leave the prompt. Just paste the prompt on ChatGPT and it will give you exactly for your own. I'm going to input this keyword and click go. So this keyword will appear, as you can see. That is the keyword. So I have input all those things. So I go back to that setting, advanced setting. If you are uploading your videos, these things will show up, but you're going to set it automatically so that when we are uploading, you are not going to be setting it. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So you click no. In case if you are not making your videos, if the videos are not for kids, if your videos are for kids, you can leave it yes. So automatic caption, yes. Advertisement, leave it, leaves, dot blah blah blah. Okay, you go to upload defaults. This upload default basic info is where you put your title, description. So you're going to leave it empty because each video you're uploading have its own title, have its own separate description. If you put any title here or any description here, that's what's going to be appearing on any of your videos. So we're going to leave it empty. Both the visibility, okay, let's leave it, let's put it on unlisted, because each video you are going to be uploading, you are not going to publish it immediately after when we are uploading it. I will spend that more on uploading our video. So tags, leave it empty. Advanced setting, you're going to set your video language. Sure, if your video language is always on English, so you're going to put English unless you have another language. Your title and description language, you're going to choose English unless you have another language, so you're going to put English as well. Permission, you're going to check all these ones. Okay, so we are done. You're going to click on save. So As you can see, we have created a YouTube channel for ourselves. Let me open my channel. As you can see, it N with Ben. N with Ben. You can see N with Ben. That's our YouTube channel name. So, but here it is. We are not. If you created this YouTube channel newly, please don't upload any video immediately. If you upload a video immediately, you're just trying to tell YouTube that you're not a robot. So to make your channel strong, just leave it like, let me say like 5 days. Within that 5 days, use this channel to be watching other people's video. You get, use it and be watching other people's video. You'll be going ahead and be watching people's video, commenting on their videos, so that YouTube will know that you're not a robot. So after this, like, let me say, if you do it like 1 week, then we start uploading your video so that your video will be more visible. YouTube will not see you as a robot.
And there you have it. You have just created a professional YouTube channel using nothing but your smartphone. No fancy gear, no excuses. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video where I will show you how to upload your first video and make it pump. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And let me know in the comments what kind of video you are planning to create. I would love to hear your ideas. Remember, you don't need perfection to start. You just need to start. And your first step is already done. Now go and crush it.